What we are going to be looking today is what we call computer network. As we can see on the screen, a computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. The most common resource shared today is connection to the internet. Other shared resources can include a printer or a file server. When we talk of a computer network, we are talking of connecting two or more computers together so that they can share the same device. And we say this device can be printer. For example, we can look at the example of radio stations. When you have many radio stations and they hooked up to the same program at the same time from different states, we said all these radio stations are being networked together. The same thing happened to the television station. When the television stations from different parts of the country or from different parts of the state hook up or joined the same program at the same time, but from different stations and from the different states. So we said all these televisions have been networked together, and that is the reason why they are able to show the same program at the same time. And we can see also that a computer network can also be defined as a group of two or more computer systems linked together. An example here can be a local area network, LANs, which we are going to discuss later, and wide area networks, which we called once. All these we are going to look at them later. Another definition we can give to the computer network is that is, they are made up of a wired or wireless communication pathways that transmit data, voice, and video traffic using protocols to organize traffic. So any of these definitions can be used to define computer network. Simply, computer network is when you connect two or more computers together so that they share the same resource. This resource is called a device. Okay, and we say this device can be a printer, file server, CD-ROM, files, and so on. Now, look at the examples of computers connected together to share resource. You can see we make use of the router to connect all the devices together. We have the printer here, we have the scanner, we have the computer, another scanner, and the internet. So all these are linked together with this device called router, and this is a typical example of computer network, that is where computers are connected together. Benefits of computer networking.